Hi everyone. In the earlier classes, we laid the foundations of Verilog design by discussing the design methodologies such as basic constructs, modules, and port interfaces. In this class, we get into modeling actual hardware circuits in Verilog. Hardware design at this level is intuitive for a user with a basic knowledge of digital logic design. Verilog supports basic logic gates such as AND, OR, NOT, NAND, and NOR as predefined primitives. The main objective of today's class are identify logic gate primitives provided in Verilog, understand instantiation of gates, gate symbols, truth tables for AND or buff NOT type gates, understand how to construct a Verilog description from the logic diagram of the circuit. In gate types, AND or type is taken as an example. In this, I1, I2 are inputs, out is the output. The out is declared using keyword output. Inputs I1 and I2 are declared using the keyword input. AND gate and OR gate both are instantiated with out followed by I1 and I2. Next, buff NOT gates have one scalar input and one or more scalar outputs. The last terminal in the port list is connected to the input and the other terminals are connected to the outputs. Here two outputs, out1 and out2 in this example. Next, buff if, not if. Gates with an additional control signal on buff and NOT gates are also available, which are known as buff if, not if. These gates propagates only if their control signal is asserted, they propagate Z. If their control signal is deasserted. The symbols are shown in the figure and the syntax also given here. These gates are used when a signal is to be driven only when the control signal is asserted. Such a situation is applicable when the multiple drivers drive the signal. Here it shows the example of instantiation of buff if and not if gates. Here the example is there. 4x1 mux with two input signals, that is select signals. Multiplexers serve a useful purpose in logic design. They can connect two or more sources to a single destination. They can also be used to implement Boolean functions. And here in this S1N and S1 S0 N both are input wires, Y0, Y1, Y2, Y3 are output wires. And here 4 AND gate instantiation and 2 inverter instantiation and single OR gate instantiation. Here the single output out and I0, I1, I2, I3, S1 and S2 are the inputs, external inputs as well as the. Thank you. Thanks for watching.